So, good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining the webinar on the onboarding essential. Myself, Nirmisha, I'm a growth lead, a digital revenue from HDFC Securities. So, in this webinar, we are going to cover the HDFC security, pricing and products, also the features, entire app walkthrough, a basic understanding on the margin trading facility and the futures and options, and overall HDFC security research. This is the oral disclaimer. The content and the explanation are just for the information and educational purpose. If any stock which I enter or trade, it's not an investment advice. So before the starting of the entire mobile app walkthrough, first I will take the overall pricing, how the pricing is there. The first thing is your demat charges. तो फर्स्ट योर अकाउंट ओपनिंग इज कंप्लीटली फ्री. आपने जो भी अकाउंट ओपन करवाया है विच आर फर्स्ट ईयर देयर इज नो एएमसी, इट्स फ्री. फ्रॉम सेकंड ईयर विच इज ऑन द बेस ऑन योर बैंक कैटेगरी. अगर आपका एचडीएफसी बैंक के थ्रू आपने अकाउंट लिंक करवाया है, अगर आपका बैंक में द कैटेगरी इज नॉन मैनेज, देन द सेकंड ईयर चार्जेस इज 750 रुपीज. अगर आप ट्रेड नहीं करते इन एंटायर 1 ईयर, अगर आप ट्रेड करते हो देन इट्स 500 रुपीज. If your category is classic, then there is a 500 rupees. If you are not active, and if you are active, then it's 250 rupees. अगर आपका बैंक category is preferred, then there is a 300 rupees if you are not active. And if you are active, यानी पूरे साल में अगर आप एक ट्रेड करते हो, then the charges is nil. And if you are an Imperia client, then also whether you are active or not active, your charges for second year is nil. So this is the second year charges. And if you are non-HDFC बैंक account, अगर आपने account open करवाया है, then the second year AMC is 750 rupees. Second is demat debit charges. As and when जब भी आप कोई भी stock sell करते हो, then there is a DP demat transaction charges, which is 0.04 or 30 rupees, whichever is higher. अगर आपका category is non-manage or classic, then there is 30 rupees or 0.04. अगर आपका कैटेगरी बैंक कैटेगरी इज प्रीफर्ड और इंपीरिया, देन चार्जेस इज 30 रुपीज या 0.03 विच एवर इज हायर. और अगर आपका HSLDP है, देन द चार्जेस इज 20 रुपीज पर ट्रांजेक्शन. So these are the overall about the charges. For the brokerage rate, which is as per your the plan which you have taken. Okay, now quickly I move to the on this slide. The first thing, before we are going to the mobile app, let me show the two things for your complete account profile section should be completed. For this, first thing is this derivative segment. If you want to trade into the derivative segment, then you have to activate the derivative segment. अगर आपने initially account opening time पे नहीं करवाया है तो then how to activate the derivative I will show you on the mobile also, but let me share one screenshot. So on the once you launch the mobile app, Invest Right mobile app, then on right hand side there is a hamburger menu. Once you click, then you will show the privileges option. Under the privileges option, you have to enable this FNO privilege. You have to select and accept the terms and condition. Once you accept the terms and condition, then you will be redirected directly on this page. If you shown this page, then you have to enter your login ID and the password. Then after you have to move to this page. On this page, there are different documents which you have to upload. And if your bank account with the HDFC bank, then you no need to upload the bank statement. There is an account aggregator option is there. Also, there are another 16 banks are there. अगर आपका वहाँ पे भी account है, तो your statement will be directly fetched from your respective banks, and your FO segment will be activated within 2 days. So this is the first thing. So if you want to trade into the derivative segment, this is how you can activate your derivative. And the second is the DDPI. Okay, now what is this DDPI? DDPI is basically this demat debit and pledge instruction. The earlier there is a mechanism of the POA, as and when if you are selling your share, अगर as a client अगर आप कोई भी share sell करते हो, then this delivery will need to pass to the exchange. For that earlier all the brokers are taking the POA. Now instead of POA, now there is a DDPI option is there. अगर आपका DDPI is enable, then you no need to enter a CDSL TP OTP. Okay, your share will be sell directly and you no need to wait. Second benefit for the DDPI is your MTF facility, which is buy stock pay later, will be also unlocked. Then after you can trade into the MTF segment. Third thing is your as and when if you want to purchase any share, so if your HDFC bank account is linked, then automatically fund will be fetched from your bank account. You no need to enter a fund every time for placing your order. Your fund will be directly fetched from the HDFC bank. This facility will also enable once you activate the DDPI. And last thing is a cashless trading. If you have any stock and on the stock you want to take an additional limit, then you can place this share and take the additional leverage. So this facility will be also enabled once you activate the DDPI. Now DDPI activate करना कैसे है? So if your account is newly open, then definitely you will get one mail from the EDDPI from the HDFC Security. So one consent over there you have to accept. Then after one you have to enter this Aadhaar and you have to authenticate with the Aadhaar OTP. Once you done that process, then your DDPI will be activated within 2 days. If you have not received a mail, then you can mark a mail on the customer care @hdfcsec.com. Okay, you will get the one link and you have to authenticate with this Aadhaar. Once you complete this process, then your DDPI will be activated. So these are the two major steps for complete profile section of your account, which is a DDPI and the derivative. Now I will show some more benefit on the MTF. Since your DDPI will be activated, then there are certain benefits of the MTF. Okay, so जैसे मैंने बताया, you can take the additional positions if your MTF is active. So let's say you have a fund of rupees 1 lakh and you want to purchase a share of rupees 4 lakh, then this 3 lakh fund will be provided by the HDFC Security. On this, the HDFC will charge 18% interest. Okay, you can carry this position up to 275 working days. आप 275 दिन तक ये positions रख सकते हो. Okay. Second thing is you're enhancing your buying power, which means if you want to buy your share into the cash segment, then 1 lakh के सामने you can purchase only 1 lakh rupees. But if your MTF is active, and then you can take the additional position. Okay, also you can pledge your stocks if you have a holding available with you, and if you don't have any fund, then you can pledge your holding and take the additional leverage. So definitely there is an opportunity for the higher return, since on 1 lakh you can able to purchase only 1 lakh share in delivery, but in MTF you can purchase up to 4 lakh. So yes, there is a higher opportunity. Then flexible repayment. जो भी फंड आपने लिया, on this the HDFC will charge 18% interest. But let's say if you want to repay, you can repay this anytime, and you can convert your share from MTF to delivery. And last thing, again I say that there is a interest charges is 1.5% per month, yeah, 18% per annum, which means on 1 lakh or daily basis there is a 50 rupees interest. So these are the certain advantages of the MTF. Now I quickly move to the mobile application. I will show the entire mobile application. Yes. So first you have to download the mobile app from the Play Store, which is a Invest Right. Once you download, you have to log in through your bank login ID. whatever the login ID which you are going to use in your HDFC bank, the same login ID which you have to use. Okay. Once you enter login ID, you need to enter the password. And once you enter the password, this page will be, your mobile application will be launched. Okay. So again, I will show how to activate your derivative. On right hand side, there is a hamburger menu. On the bottom of the page, there is a privilege option. In this case, the FO is already activated, but let's see if I want to activate the currency segment. The same journey is there. You will be land on this page. You have to select your income range and you have to select your bank, and this statement will be fetched from your bank account after this entering the OTP, and you have to authenticate, then your segment will be activated. Second is, if you want to check your DDPI, then this click on this photo, then enter your profile is there, and on the bottom is there is a DPPOA, power of attorney status, which you can shown from here. If you want to modify any detail, then you have to click on the edit KYC. After editing KYC, you can opt for a new mobile number or a email ID, or you can select your income range and all basic details. You can update it from here. So this is the complete understanding of this profile section. Second is a fund. You have to click on the fund. If you want to add the fund manually, then you can select, enter the amount, and you can transfer it through your net banking. But अगर आपका DDPI is active, then you no need to enter, as and when if you place any order, your fund will be automatically fetched from the HDFC bank. Same way, payout will be also taken automatically. अगर आप जब भी payout, if you want to, as and when you are selling the share, your payout will be automatically credited in your bank account. Okay, so this is the dashboard, this overall dashboard, where I will show all the options. First thing is, on the top of the page there is a Nifty, Bank Nifty, Sensex. Even you can select whatever the index you want, you can select from here. Once you select, and if you want to trade into the option, then only you have to click on this, let's say Nifty, then entire option chain will be open, from where you can also place the order. So this is one of the quick link for trade into the option. Second is, the second binary is your holding. Okay, the second binary is the holding. वहां से आप अपना holding check कर सकते हो. So this is entire your holding, demat balance, MTF balance. You can check all your portfolio details over here. On this spotlight section, whatever the latest thing which are going on, it will be reflected over here. So let's say the Godavari IPO ends on 25th of October. If you want to place an order into the IPO, you can directly place order from here. The second binary is on the Diwali picks. So whatever the Diwali picks are going on, you can invest. Then the ETF options are there. You can invest on the ETFs. Then MTF, the entire new MTF journey is there. So you can explore our MTF journey. I will show you. Let's see, if I click on the MTF, then this is the entire MTF ka dashboard. वहां से you can check. The first thing is your eligible stock. So what all stocks are available for the MTF, you can check from here. The margin calculator, इधर से आप check कर सकते हो what is the margin for particular script. Let's say if I want to buy a ITC, and if I want to purchase 100 share, then I have to pay 13,693. HDFC Security will fund 35,211, and total as on the current market price, the total my stock value is 48,905. So this is how you can check your margins for the MTF. Also, you can check your MTF positions also from here. So this is entire MTF new journey. Second is the IPO. if I want to place the order into the IPO, once you click on this banner, then my DP detail and account detail is already there. On the number of lots, on how many lots I want to feed, I can enter. On cutoff price or my price, that also you can select. Either UPI, if your bank account is not linked, then you can select the UPI thing, and you have to enter the UPI ID. And after entering the UPI ID, you have to do approve from your UPI app. Okay. And if your DDPI is active, then you have to select the ASBA, and this fund will be directly hold from your bank account. So this is how you can place the IPO order. If I click on again the IPO, you can check your order books also. Whether your IPO is successfully bid or not, that also you can check it from here. So this is the IPO thing. Then ETFs, whatever the current ETFs are going on, you can explore from here. These are the recommended ETFs. From here, you can buy ETFs either through in SIP or in lump sum mode. Same way, the stocks SIP recommendations are also available. You can check and you can start a stock SIP as well. On this page, there is a basket investing, which is somewhat 2081. So as we have recently launched this manifest, this is a basically Diwali thing. Okay, these are the second edition of this manifest, where the entire recommended stocks of from the HDFC security for this Diwali, the by default portfolio is readily available, which is somewhat 2081. There are many another basket investing ideas are also available from the small cash. Let's say if we want to purchase this somewhat 2081, you have to click. There are 10 stocks are recommended for this Diwali, and you can buy this share on a single click. So these are the somewhat 2081, which is recommended by HDFC Security. These are the stocks. You can also check the stocks, what all stocks are recommended, which is Bank of India, L&T Finance, PNB Housing Finance, SBI, and all. Okay, if you want to invest, you can click on invest. You have to select either one time or a SIP order, and you can place the order. So this is how you can place the order for this basket investing. Third thing is the mutual fund. If I click the mutual fund, then entire mutual fund journey is available. You can check your mutual fund calculator, if one time, then monthly, what are the investment plans currently available, what are the recommended one. You can also explore it from here. Okay, these are the recommended one. Also, the category wise fund is also available. If you want a large cap, then you all the large cap funds are there, and you can place the order either through SIP or a lump sum from here itself. You can also compare 3 years return, 5 years return, 1 month return, 6 month return. You can select and you can analyze your funds also. The next option on the dashboard is the research. So you can either grow research from here also. Even the bottom of the app on right hand side, there is a research option over there. Once I click on the research, then there are three segmentations, which is equity, derivatives, and the mutual fund. Let's say I clicked on equity. Then there are three options: the fundamental calls, technical calls, and the trading calls. So these all stocks are recommended by the HDFC Securities, and it will be also uh, reflected on the real-time basis. You can also check why these stocks are recommended. Then the entire report is also available. What are the target, stop loss, all details are mentioned. And you can place the order from here itself. You can also check the technical calls. Also, whatever the MTF calls, the tagging is also there. So let's say there is a Dodla Dairy calls and this tagging is MTF. So this is the MTF call. Same way you can explore the trading calls. Okay, so this is the entire research section. Again, I come back to the dashboard. The MTF, so this is the entire MTF dashboard which I shown over earlier. There is a superstar portfolio things are also available. So basically these are the superstar portfolio. The large individual investor, also the institutional investor, also the FII, a well-known personalities, the portfolios are readily available. You can also explore the stocks, which stocks are Radhakrishna Damani has bought, which stock Rakesh Junjunwala have. You can check also what all holdings are available with this Rakesh Radhakrishna Damani. Okay, on the bottom of the page, there is also research card are available. Whatever the latest research, which are also available over here. On the bottom of the page, there are the market movers like top gainer, loser. In futures and options, there are 2 days gainer, 2 days losers. In same way, options may the most active volumes in terms of value or volume, that also you can check. On the bottom of page, there is a FII DI activity. You can also check what are the FII and the DI activity. Also, the block deals and the bulk deals option are also there. You can also explore. There are advanced screeners are available. Okay, so that also you can explore. There are more than 200 screeners are available on the different parameter. You can explore this screeners as well. Also, there is the event calendar. You can check the bonus, split, dividend things are also from here. And there are top latest market news are available. So these are the complete dashboard where all the details are readily available. Second option is the watch list. On the watch list, there are so many default watch lists are available. Let's say if you want a 52-week low stocks, if you want a top gainer, if you want a 52-week high stocks, if you want a automobile, if you want a bank stock, if you want a Nifty 50. So based on the all the categories, the segmentation is there. You can select any one of them and the watch list will be there. Let's say I want to explore this Diwali picks, then all the 10 stocks of the Diwali which are recommended by HDFC Security, you can explore it from here and you can also place the order from here. If I want a Nifty 50 stocks, then this Nifty 50 watch list is also available. Once I click, I can explore all the Nifty 50 stocks. And by clicking on the this save button, this script will be also added in your main watch list. Okay, let's say Diwali picks. Now I will show you how to place the order. Let's say Bank India. On this card, there is a ready-made available things. This stock is available on the MTF. The second update is the on 36% return in 365 days. Since this stocks is already recommended by the HDFC Securities in this Diwali pick. And what is the latest update, which is a board meeting on 11th of the November. Also, I can check the script details. Well, all the script related details, which is market depth, your key stats, your performance, also the charts, the stock SWOT analysis, technical analysis, and if any research calls are there, news for particular this stock, any events, past event as well as the future events, your stock analytics compared to the peers, entire financials, then MF holding, which all MFL bought this share, and the company bio. All the details are available on this stock page. Now, if you want to buy this stock, you have to select the exchange NSE or BSE. Either if you want to purchase a share into the cash delivery, then you have to select the cash. If you want to purchase a share into the intraday, then you have to select the intraday option. The position will be automatically square up at 310 to 320. Then e-margin. If you want to purchase a share on the MTF, that also and you have to select the e-margin. You can also check the difference between the margin. Let's say if you buy one share of this Bank of India, then you have to pay complete 97 rupees. But if you want to purchase a share in MTF, then you have to pay 38.88 paisa, which is, you can check the margin of the bottom of this page. Once I click on this MTF, then I can place the order in MTF. If I want to purchase a share into the delivery, then simply I have to click buy and confirm buy. This 128 rupees will be fetched from my bank account. I give a consent of the hold, and yes, my order is done. I can check this order from this order book. Okay, so these are the open, these are the close. My order is executed at what time, at what price, that also you can check. Okay, on the position page, you can check your net positions, even the any future open positions, yeah, even MTF position, you can also check it from this open positions. You can also check your mutual fund orders from here, whether it's a lump sum order or a SIP order. So this is how you can check the executed or a pending orders from here. Again, coming back to the watch list. If you want to purchase a share on e-margin, you have to click on e-margin and you can enter. Okay, so the security are currently not available for the MTF. Let me try with this JK Lakshmi. I select by MTF. Yes, done. Now, as and when if you are placing an order on e-margin, then you have to authorize this transaction, and this link will be given to you on T+2. You will receive the mail, even the SMS from the NSDL if you have an NSDL account, or a CDSL if you have a CDSL account. Also, you can also place requests are also available on the mobile app also. From where, let me share the screen once again. Yes, so you have to authorize this MTF transaction. If you are not authorized on T+2, then your position will be liquidated on T+3. आपने जो दिन ट्रेड किया है इससे तीसरे दिन में your position will be square up if you are not authorized on the T+2. Okay, let me come to the portfolio page. Now this is your complete portfolio from where you can check what is your target, what is your profits or loss. This is your entire demat balance from where you can check this all securities are lying in my demat account, and these are my MTF positions. I can also check what is I have paid for taking this position, what is the HDFC security paid, and what is this total investment value for this my MTF positions. Okay, now two things are most important. If you want to convert your MTF positions to delivery, so you have to click on this share, and there is an option called a convert to delivery. Below this Dotla Dairy, then there is a convert to delivery wala page is there. From you have to enter the quantity and you can convert your share from MTF to delivery. Then there will be interest charge will be stopped. Second is, if you don't have any cash balance and you want to pledge your share to take the additional leverage, so this is how you can do. On this demat balance page, you have to select the script, how many quantity you want to pledge. You have to enter the quantity and just click on the hold. Then you have to authorize this from through TP, through CDSL or NSDL OTP. Then the security will be pledged and you will get the additional limits. So this is the portfolio page. Last is your research page, from where you can check all the research. This is how you can explore entire mobile application. Also, I will show you our research performance, also the latest manifest things. Let me share my laptop screen. So these are the overall research performance from the HDFC Security for last financial year. You can check all the futures and options calls ka success rate. Also, you can check your cash trading. There are 83% success rate. E-margin call, we have provided total 244 calls. Out of that, 185 is positive and 59 is a negative. And this is the average return. And this is the average holding period. Same way, there is a Diwali picks, index report, cash positional calls. You can also check. For this financial year, April, May, June calls are readily available. In this cash trading, we have given 95 calls. Out of that, 81 is positive and 14 is negative. The overall success rate is 85%. This is how you can also check our research call on app itself. This is a manifest from the HDFC Security. These are the second edition for the manifest. In this, we have recommended, these are the stock picks in which you can invest, and the holding period is till next Diwali. Majorly all stocks are available in MTF as well. These are the stock SIP recommendation. The same way mutual fund SIP, you can also invest in this stock SIP as well on a daily basis or a monthly basis or a quarterly basis. If you want to add any stocks, you can add the stocks as a SIP as well. These are the ETFs which are recommended. So I'm done from my side. For entire update and entire details on this onboarding, pricing, and the mobile app walkthrough. If you have any question, you can share on chat. The mobile app is Invest Right. You can download a mobile app. No, sir, there is no zero brokerage on ETF in this platform. In Sky, there is a zero brokerage. In HSL, Invest Right, there is a ETFs as chargeable. I have HDFC Invest Right. Can I add both NRI and NRE? Found link. We also have separate session on the NRI wala piece. Difference between Sky and Invest Right. Sky is a completely flat pricing model where we are charging 20 rupees flat per order, and it's a DIY model, do it yourself. In Invest Right, there is a supports also. Also, there is a bank link account also there. It's a three in one account also. No, sir, you can't change your ID. How to upgrade the brokerage? So for first year, whatever the plan you purchase, based on that, the brokerage will be charged. Also, there is a value packs options are also available. So for that, you have to explore our web platform from where you can purchase a value packs and you can reduce your brokerage as well. Are there any video on basis of stock market? Yes, from YouTube channel of the HDFC Security as well as the HDFC Sky. You can check this basics on stock market. Many videos are available. For NII session, I will note your point. I will definitely send an invite for the NRI session, which will be there after Diwali. Yes, sir, you can join the same session again using the same ID. Also, you will get the invite. This weekly onboarding webinar are continuously going on every Tuesday and every Friday. I added a stock in portfolio from limit reconciliation, but added quantity are very much different. How to rectify limit reconciliation quantity are correct. Reena for that you have to log in through our web platform. Under the web platform, there is an option called as a portfolio. Under the portfolio, there is an option called as a limit reconciliation. From there, if you have added any stock from outside, then you have to enter the purchase price and you have to click on add. And if there is no any quantity available, then you have to click on add and you have to select the sell option. And this quantity will be removed and your portfolio will be reconciled. Sessions are not on Saturday and Sunday. Possible to arrange on weekend. Definitely your feedback will be taken, sir. I got to know my allotted share details. It's about IPO, sir. Then if a IPO share is allotted, then it will be automatically added in your demat account. Is there any asset management services provided? Sir, mutual funds are already available on our app. And if you want any PMS or EIF kind of details required, then you can also approach us. For 5 to 10 lakhs, there is a sir basket investment is there. Basket investment option, there are many paid portfolios, even the free portfolios are available. So for that, once you open the app, there is a basket investment tab is there, and you can also check the past performance also, and in that you can also invest. For PMS or AIF service, the minimum ticket size starts from the 50 lakhs. Reena ji, I will take your email ID and I will ask my team to connect you and get your portfolio reconciled. What username and password should be used in? If you have a sir any bank account, then you have to use your customer ID. The bank customer ID you can use for login this InvestRight app. Yes, so thank you so much. I'm done from my side. Thank you for time. Me and Dharmesh Shah signing out. Thank you.